It probably doesn't matter. I mean, our GPS not tell you. Ah, Michael, what are you doing?
Why did you destroy my house, bruh?
What?
Michael's black for me.
Hold on, I can't
No.
see. I can't see who's who. I'm still in the cutscene.
Oh yeah, turn on VSync. That's just so much better.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna do
Yeah, Michael's
Oh,
black.
well-
Look at him. I think
Well,
the
Michael's
kid-
black.
Dude, the
You're
kid-
Vanoss. Who am I?
I can't even tell. You're like an, I don't know if you're. Is he a man or a woman, Michael? He looks. I can't even tell.
he looks like
Dude, don't get that close to me, bro. Holy shit.
The character
Bro, he look-
photos actually don't look bad in this game, though. The
Yeah,
others,
they
look
don't.
kinda rough.
Y'all are both the same person to me.
Oh, then I look like you, right?
A tarp. Okay. So I got a tarp.
So
What the hell are you? Look.
I'm just assuming
Oh.
that this game is way different than the last one.
Oh yeah, it's definitely.
I barely played the last one, so it's gonna be good to me
We
regardless.
walked through that game on bonus. Is it already done? How do you open your backpack? What's the button for that? E?
Well, if you quit piddle farting,
It's what?
I.
Open the emergency pack located in your inventory. Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's what I have to do. I'm gonna finish collecting everything first. Though, before I do that.
Yeah. Click
Dude, I
the
got
gear
fish
to
in
open.
my inventory. I know y'all are mad. I know y'all are mad.
I think you're just mad that I blew you up with a grenade.
No.
What? The grenade?
Yeah, and then just look over there.
Nope.
Where's VC? Don't throw a fucking grenade! Stop. No, I'm trying to do my setting. Where's VC?
It's
Oh my god! Oh! My settings aren't fixed. What? There's fish in here, bro.
Yeah, I seen him, bro. Little trout.
Fuck, dude.
Oh my
Bro, pick me up. I need to fix my settings.
god! Okay, wait. So you wouldn't mind if I did it again?
Okay, so I got a hatchet.
No.
Little trout.
Fuck, dude.
Okay.
So a hatchet. I have my journal.
Hold on, bro. I'm opening my
God,
emergency
bud.
pack. Fuck up. Oh, look at my hatchet.
Hey, fuck off, bro. I got a wait,
Why are
wait.
you talking?
Why are you talking in game? Stop!
Oh, it's so loud!
It's so loud!
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Oh,
And then
okay,
what was
okay.
it? M is your GPS tracker.
M is your GPS tracker. B is book. R and Q is rotate.
Okay. Cool.
Whatever the fuck.
I have no fucking help, so if we get attacked by anything, I'm gonna die.
Look, it is what it is, and that's the
We had to
bottom
test the
line.
grenades, alright? Son of a bitch, I'm so low on health. I think I
No,
took
you're
grenade
not.
damage. Yes, I am! I have like a fucking nut hair of health.
Yeah, I'm low on
Honestly,
health.
I thought the red bar above you was your health bar.
No, because you guys have green and his is blue.
I didn't look at my bar. I was just looking at you and I seen red. I thought that was your health bar, Phil.
We have to sleep, I think. And
What can I do to this guy? Follow me. Take item. Dude, I don't want to talk to this guy.
Alright, where are we going? Where are we going, boys? I see something on the map. Well, I see a
I
few
think we should
things.
get out of this snow because I feel like we're gonna freeze today.
Yeah, let's try to work our way down.
Turn on, get the GPS, man. Okay.
You see that little rock structure? To the, I want to say, I don't know. That's fucking north of it, but see it on the GPS? The little rock structure? And the,
Yeah.
I think we should head towards
Probably a cave.
that. Probably.
Probably is a cave.
I ain't gonna lie, this game looks good.
Yeah, it does. It looks really good.
Compared to the last one, but the last one is old. I don't know. It does look a lot better. We won't be in this bad of a condition. Right? This is taking 20 minutes.
Look, it is what it is.
Stop fucking tee-hee me. Don't do it in game. Stop.
Imagine you're in a cave and that's all you hear.
Nah, my balls.
Look at this retard follow us.
Bro, look at the way he walked, bro. No!
He walks like Roger from American Dad.
Fucking shit, man.
Yeah.
Come
I'm about to turn down one setting because I'm only getting 54 frames. I want to get a stable 60.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting. So I'll have to. My friend, do the thing that you do.
on. Oh my god, I'm chopping on the wood, bro.
Hold on, bro. Hold on, brother. Hold on.
Hold on, brother, hold on.
Hold on!
Uh-oh.
Ah, hell.
If that
nah.
would have killed me, I would have laughed so fucking hard.
The only thing is with logs, like, I mean, you can't really, like, you have to, what the fuck?
Why is there like a little thing on here? What the fuck? Whoa!
That's sick.
What's the hook of that?
No, I don't know about y'all, bro.
Get out of
game chat.
That's Michael, that's not me.
Why am I in game chat?
Stop!
Stop!
Guys,
I probably
just need to know
didn't
I
mean
got
to. Probably didn't mean to.
Guys, I got a small rock and a large rock. I was letting you know in the walkie-talkie.
I'm going down the river, bro.
I got, bro. I went down another way.
I don't know.
I went down the safe route.
Brett, can you just turn around and look at the mountain and just look at the big blue in your way?
I'm watching. I'm at the lake looking at your fucking retarded ass.
Hey, don't diss on the P, bro.
Facts.
Alright, should I jump and see if I can bottom? Should we Minecraft finish this?
Dude, this thing has not got Minecraft physics, bro. This thing's like, you gotta treat it like Red Dead Redemption 2 physics, bro. You jump in that, you're dying.
I'm dead.
He did it, didn't he?
Yeah.
Help!
Don't worry, we're on our way. On my way.
On my way, brother.
I'm driving.
Hey.
I want to stay up here.
Dude,
I want
kinda
some
wanna
more
be in the
level.
mountains.
Wait, there's a cave right here next to us.
There's something fucking growling at me.
What?
I walked over here and it was like, rabbit!
Come on, bro. There's a cave this way. How does GPS know exactly what a cave is, huh?
Oh, cause Google Maps.
It ain't never been here
Yeah.
before. Okay.
Google Maps, Google Maps.
They got everything on Google Map, bro. There's Starbucks down the road if you look.
I feel like we're supposed to go to the cave in the snow because it's right there when you spawn. I wonder if that's
Aw,
like the
shit.
easy. I wonder if that's like the easy cave or if it doesn't matter.
It probably doesn't matter. I mean, on our GPS.
Oh shit. What? It
There's one
one shot
behind me.
me.
There's one behind me.
It literally one shot me.
Dude, this place look. Oh wait, what the fuck? Look down.
Oh, it do go down.
You see those people?
Yeah, I see them.
Those aren't real people.
Yeah, no, they're fakes. They're fakes.
All right, go down there and look.
Yeah, hold on.
They're fake news, bro. They're fake news. No, bro, they got sticks to them, bro. They're dead.
Oh, this is the cave.
Yeah,
Dead
they're
as
fake
hell.
news. Oh, bro, they got the ninjas.
What up, bro? I think
No.
he had a slingshot on his ass.
Oh, bro, yeah, that is the cave. I guess we're building right next to the
Oh
cave.
my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Our retard guy's getting hit. He ran away. He's in. Michael's chasing him.
He'll be okay. He's back, man. Hey, get this cloth, bro, and rope. Oh my god.
Hey, the white flowers heal your health.
Where the white flowers at, bro?
I ate
What?
them. They were
Oh
right here.
my god. I
Oh,
literally
they're
went
close
down.
side, bro. I can eat them too.
I was drinking water. I bent down to drink water, and he come up from behind me and killed me.
He ran away. He's coming back, I think.
Hey,
I don't know where
okay, this game is like the last.
Oh yeah, there he is, there he is, there he is. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's hiding.
This game is like
Dude,
the last one where everything
nah.
is client side, so all loot is shared, even food.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. I think he wants me.
Bitch. Who's in game chat?
I think it's Michael. I think Michael did for like a second. I was gonna.
Wait, is that a building? Y'all see that? Up the river? Come to the creek. Stand in the creek.
I see what you're looking at.
Oh yeah, I see it.
We can build over here if you want, but I want to go look at this.
I don't know if I want to build right in front of the cave.
Oh, we can build like over here in the forest and like, up a little bit this way. Like right over here would be fine with me.
Collect white flowers. Michael, if you see any. I know it's client-sided.
Me.
Like, yeah, dude, we
They
can build
heal
right
you.
here on this cliff.
You said white flower? Oh, I got some blue fly, bae. The blue bee.
And a spider web.
Spiderweb.
Can't do no.
Alright, we need to figure out how to build and we just need to get to our starter base.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What the fuck?
She's got.
What the?
What? Dude, I thought somebody comes to
What the heck?
Somebody.
What the hell?
Man, I wanna start
Hell
shooting
no.
game, bro.
Dude, she hauled ass. She hauled.
Dude, the locals are wild.
What
Yeah,
the?
yeah. I think a little outpost base right here would be sick. Come look. You got the little overview.
Yeah, no, I want to put it like over here.
Yeah.
Somebody
Yeah,
needs to
that'd be
figure out
nice.
how to build. I'll start getting wood for you, brother.
Can you do blueprint?
Blew up.
I think it's thundering.
Oh yeah, it's just thunderstorm.
It's raining.
Dude, that bitch was kind of bad though. I'm gonna be honest.
Dude, that was wild. I don't know
she
what.
comes back.
Haters
What?
are little.
Oh, they're jumping out of trees. Oh, there's one right there. He just jumped out of a tree.
Hold on, bro. I'm looking at a book.
Bro, he's crouched. Do you see him?
Bro,
Look at him
what?
leaning around the tree. Dude, I swear he jumped out of one.
They probably do.
Dude, he said and ran away.
Bro said, tee.
Oh, Rhett, right
Yeah.
behind you. Rhett, right behind you. He's hiding.
Yeah, I don't like these motherfuckers, dude. Dude, yeah, oh, he is in a tree.
Oh, look at him.
Wait. Oh my god, look at his ass.
Rhett, I turned around and there was one literally crouched right behind you. Just looking.
Was he like walking at me or was he just sitting
No, he
there?
was crouched right behind you.
I think what it is that unless you move, they won't do anything. So if they're targeting someone,
Well,
Who's
let's
there?
see. Well, let's see.
Where's bro running off to?
Dude, I don't know. Let's
Could be
just
in the
not
kitchen.
move. Let's just not move. He's behind
I
that
don't
tree in front of us.
Dude, okay, that thunder made me actually think it was thundering outside.
trying to figure out how to build. Face my back towards the fucking cliff. I
A
don't-
deer just ran up the cliff and ran
That's-
past you.
That's pretty epic.
Dude, I don't know if we should build here now.
Yeah, I know. Them motherfuckers get really annoying real quick.
But want
Yeah, I wanna keep moving.
I want that bitch to come back though.
Dude, that was so fucking out of pocket.
Oh, wait. Oh, here he comes.
Dude, I was about to just ask, like, bro, who modded it? But they literally just came out. I don't. We can build here. I don't care. Oh, look, look, look.
Look to the right. Look to the right. Look
No,
at him.
there's
He's getting
one right
closer.
in front of us. There's one right in front of us. He just ran past.
I'm looking at. I was looking at the book. Well, yeah, look to the right. Look to the right. Oh, he's getting closer. He's getting closer.
What the
There's one to
fuck,
the
dude?
left too, bro. I don't know where he went.
Oh, he's attacking. He's attacking. There's two.
They both attacked at the same time.
Oh, behind us is a third one. Dude, we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here.
I'm
I don't like
right
it.
now.
Yeah, yep, he killed me. I don't like these guys. Yeah, these guys.
I'm fucking murdering them, bruh. I already killed one.
We gotta go back and get muscle, bro. Dude, I ate a white flower rat. It just did my stamina, so I still have no health.
It gave me health. Oh, Michael, you're down. My bad.
Yeah, bro, I do go down.
Fucker, go.
Y'all just want to run off somewhere? You think it's because we're in front of a cave?
That's
Probably.
probably what it is. That's why I didn't want to build it. I assumed him out of. Yeah, he's in the woods over there, just chilling. I hit him a few times.
Yeah, fuck those guys, dude.
So if you hit B, it'll bring up your book and you can it'll show you how to craft shit.
Wait, isn't there a flash? Isn't there a light? Do we have to find the light? Remember the first game you spawned with a lighter? Do we have a light? 'Cause it is dark. I cannot see. Oh, why is bro on the ground scared? Help us fight, bro. Are we not like military people or something?
We are, but he got hit in the fucking head, so he don't know what the fuck's going on.
I wanna kill him. Look at him.
He's fresh.
Wait, there's a light across the river, or is that my texture?
It might just be the reflection of the sun going down,
We're just
or
gonna have
it might just be a moon reflection just casting on it.
We're gonna have to sit here and kill anything that tells us.
Oh, I got a blueberry seed.
How the fuck did you? Yeah, I got blueberry seed.
There was
Where the hell did you-
cloth. There was cloth outside the cave. I was telling you to make sure you grab the cloth.
I didn't grab it.
I got some crunchy onesies. I'm gonna eat them.
Some crunchy onesie.
I'll make a torch.
I got some of those too. Yeah, make a torch. Combine your thing with it, and then combine a stick with a thing. I should have it on there.
Watch this. I wanna go to the moon. Oh, hit L to toggle your lighter. Don't need sauce. How do I light it?
How did I get in the water?
How do I? Oh, hold it. Hey now.
Oh, that's way better. Hold on.
Yay.
How do you make that? Need some
Stick in it.
kerosene.
You need a stick and a claw.
Can you throw me down a? Well, actually, I don't know. Wait. I think if I hold down.
Where are the sticks in your
All the way
inventory?
to the right.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can. I know how to give you things now.
So you combine a stick and what?
One cloth.
Then you use your
One
lighter.
cloth. I don't fucking have cloth, do I?
I must be the only one that grabbed it.
That's okay.
I
We
have,
just need at least one person with it.
You are thirsty.
I have duct tape.
Well, this water should be safe because it's not. It's not stagnant. Moving.
I do have a tarp though.
Yeah. This is safe to drink.
The little noise
I'm not feeling.
he went.
And my water's.
You are thirsty.
Actually, I was looking at my food bar and I was thinking that was my water bar, and I was like, why this shit not going up? And I just kept drinking.
I want to hit Michael so bad with my torch. Oh, I heard
Oh, I
something.
hear
I heard
somebody.
something.
They got lights.
They have lights. There's multiple of them. You are hungry.
Oh shit, there's so many. Michael, are you up? We might have to move. He made a fucking spear.
Maybe
Oh,
we'll scare them away.
Dude, I don't know, they got a fucking flashlight.
he's up in the tree now.
You are gay. You are gay. Leave. Oh, I don't think they like that guy.
He's pointing, okay, he points to where they are. That's kinda cool. Here, he's coming.
You are gay. Leave me alone. Oh, he didn't like that.
Oh!
He just blocked my attack.
He fucked me up, dude.
He's like dual wielding, bro. And he blocked my attack.
One came behind me.
I hit him. He's on fire, but I'm low. There's another one. He's gonna fucking.
I'm down. If you're the last one, run. And just run
I have
and get
no
us
health.
up.
I'm one shot. There's so many on me.
Treat it like zombies. Just train them and then get close to us and hold.
But I can't see it. There's so many attacking me. Michael, can you get wrecked?
I'm dead.
I'm one shot. You one shot me.
So we're all dead.
So
How did y'all know when y'all were it was ready? Was it just black?
Honestly, I don't know. I think I ate one raw and one cooked, so. Bro, what's he holding, bro? Oh, that's Michael. He's holding a little book. Hey, bro, I think your shit done, bro. It's burning.
Tell the retard to do something.
Who hadn't eaten one?
Me.
Yeah, bro. It's cooked.
What the fuck is this animation? Bro
Kinda
did not hesitate to eat the fucking head of a fish.
He didn't even eat all of it either. He just wasted so much meat. Hey, where he's sitting down?
Oh, he kind of clean with it too.
Bro, who told him to relax, bro?
Michael.
I didn't tell him to do that.
Bro. Look at this. Just watch us all get beat the fuck up and kidnapped by cannibals, and he wants to chillax by the fire.
Hell yeah.
You know what?
How the fuck did you do that? Oh. No, that's time. Look at him.
Oh no, he went down. I'm sorry.
I wonder if it gives you, like, there's a fucking deer. That's how we all run at it with a knife.
I told him he can run it. I done told him I done made it, bread, I made 100. But he knows he big.